So next up, let's look at tables in AsciiDoc. For this, I have already prepared the right chapter in the user menu for adoc Studio, because here you can find out all you need to know about tables in AsciiDoc and in adoc Studio as well. In summary, tables are consistent of two elements. There's firstly the starting and ending element, marked by a straight line as well as three equal signs. And then there's the table content in between those two element lines. So each new cell then starts also with a straight line, and then it goes to the next table cell as well as the third one. If you place this syntax, it shows up as three cells horizontally aligned. However, if you want to expand further, you can also create two rows only by using two rows as well in the editor. And you can also have a title row if you place an empty cell or an empty line in between those cells and the title. But there's plenty of things you can do. You can already see that there's more complex examples, as we say, where you put more information in different cells, where you can format them, where you can render it in italic, and so on and so on. So there's plenty of possibility to really expand on the tables. But for now, we keep it as the simple level. Maybe one more tip for you: if you don't want to remember the cell syntax all the time, and if you have a certain favorite table type that you most often use, you can simply use the Apple text replacement option by storing the table syntax as a shortcut, basically. So what I've done is to use some sort of function, if you want to call it like this. I know developers will hit me for that word in this context, but it's basically my way of finding a table element in the text replacement. So then simply I hit enter, and now you can see I have a table with three columns, a title row, as well as two normal standard rows. So that's tables in AsciiDoc as well as in adoc Studio.